everyone! Today we have a special and quick recipe that anyone can make at home easily. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get all our new recipes as soon as they're up. Our recipe today is a quick lemon-flavoured dessert with a touch of chocolate, using simple ingredients you can find at home. Let's get started. First, we take some room-temperature butter and grate the zest of a small lemon on it, to give the dessert a strong lemon flavour. Then we add half a teaspoon of ready-made lemon essence to enhance the taste. We grab a cup of sugar and mix it well by hand with the butter and lemon zest until the sugar melts a bit and blends with the ingredients. Mixing by hand gives the mixture a smooth, nice texture. Next, we add half a cup of oil gradually while stirring so the mixture becomes smooth. We crack one egg into the mixture and mix it well with the rest of the ingredients. Once the egg is blended, we add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to help the dough rise a little and make it fluffy. After that, we start adding the flour gradually. You'll need about 2 cups, but make sure to add it little by little, stirring until you get a firm but soft dough. Once the dough is ready, we cover it with some plastic wrap or a clean towel and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This gives the dough time to set and become more firm, which is a crucial step to ensure the final shape comes out perfect. After the dough has rested, we start shaping it. We prepare the baking tray by lightly greasing it with oil or using parchment paper to prevent sticking. If you have a mold for shaping, you can use it, or you can simply roll the dough into small balls and flatten them a little to get a round shape. We place the tray in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for about 20 minutes, or until you see the edges turning golden brown. This ensures that the dough is fully cooked and ready. Once the dessert is out of the oven, let it cool a little. Then we melt some chocolate and drizzle it in the centre of each piece to add a delicious flavour. You can use any type of chocolate you like, whether it's dark or milk, depending on your preference. If you want to add a bit more flair, you can sprinkle some crushed nuts on top of the chocolate or even dust it with powdered sugar for an extra touch. And that's our quick recipe for today. A delicious lemon-flavoured dessert with a chocolate twist. Try it out and let us know what you think in the comments. If you have any suggestions or additions, feel free to share. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss our new recipes. Thanks for watching and enjoy your treat.